We rely on GPS for almost everything, from food delivery to driving directions. So what happens when a drone can't access it? Believe it or not, many advanced drones can still fly, navigate, and complete missions without GPS. Let's break down how that's possible and why it's so important. First, why would GPS stop working? Jamming, spoofing, block signals in urban or forested areas. There are plenty of situations where drones lose access to GPS. In high-risk or tactical missions, GPS can't always be trusted. So, how do drones still know where they are and where to go? The answer lies in redundant navigation systems, including Inertial Navigation Systems, INS. INS uses accelerometers and gyroscopes to estimate a drone's position, orientation, and speed without external input. That's not perfect over long periods, but it's fast and reliable in the short term. Visual Odometry. Here, drone cameras track how its surroundings change from one frame to the next. By comparing images in real time, it can estimate movement, even in complex environments like forests or indoors. SLAM, Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. SLAM allows drones to map their surroundings and track their position within that map, all in real time. It combines camera data with sensors like LiDAR or radar to build a 3D view of the environment and navigate through it. LiDAR and depth sensors. When equipped with LiDAR, a drone can scan its environment with laser pulses and create detailed maps of what's around it. Why is GPS-free navigation such a big deal? Because it allows drones to operate in places where GPS fails. It also boosts reliability. If a drone can fly safely without GPS, that's an extra layer of resilience, especially for critical missions in public safety, defense, or civil protection. At Beyond Vision, many of our drones are designed to switch seamlessly between navigation systems, so a lost GPS signal never means a lost drone. As drone technology advances, GPS is just a starting point. Vision, LiDAR, AI, it all works together to keep drones flying smart. For more insights into drone technology and innovation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join the future.